From the main menu, to access the logs, click here or here. This brings up a list of currently submitted logs. To open one of them, click on it and it brings it up with all the details. You'll also notice there's an update box to add a comment to a log to indicate how it's progressing. You can also change the lead user group. To open a new log, click on Add, which brings up the template. Fill in a brief headline, which must be no more than 80 characters. Fill in the free text box. Indicate which stage is concerned and which sector of the stage, and also the category of the log and whether it's for information or action. Pick a lead user group to which the log is applicable, and if there are any other user groups affected. If any of the SOPs are applicable, select that. Also, decide who this is going to be published to. Gold, silver, bronze and Arcor are there by default. Also displayed will be any user group to which the user currently logged in belongs to. In my case it's C3. I'm going to publish it to C3 and silver. And I'm going to click Save. And now my log has appeared on the top of the list. So I'm going to open that and I'm going to make an addition. Apart from the additional information, I'm also going to change the lead user group. And I'm going to click on Add Action. This has now been added to the actions list at the bottom. You also notice that the lead user group has changed here. When this log is resolved, you can type in any relevant information and click Add and Resolve. You're prompted to confirm that this is definitely what you want to do. And now there's a tick appeared on the submitted logs list. If we open that back up, we can see that there's a green bar to indicate it's been resolved, and also the name of the person who's made all the changes and additions is listed there. If you resolved that log in error, you can't add to a resolved log. So copy the URL for it and start a new one, and you can link back to the original for reference. You can filter by any of the fields here. We click on Show Filter. These are all the parameters by which you can filter. So if we want to filter for information and action, we'll go to there and click on Information and apply the filter. And there the list is now filtered accordingly. We may also want to filter by another field. So in this case we'll select bronze, we'll apply the filter again, and now it's filtered by information and two items that have been published to bronze. To clear the filter, go back to the filter list, clear filter and apply, and we have the full list again. You can also create logs direct from a task. If we bring up one of the task lists and we'll open this one, you'll notice a button there, Add Log. We'll click on there and the template comes up as before, with the addition that the task number is already filled in there. So we'll fill in this form. Again, we'll publish to C3 and bronze. And when I save that, that again has been added to my list of logs. If I open it, you'll see that there's a link directly back to the task from which it originated, and likewise a link there back to the log. Again, that can be updated and with an action or shut in the usual manner.